Hello everyone, welcome to our official channel of WebOsmotic. I am Mehul with 9 years of work experience in IT industry. I work as a project manager at WebOsmotic. Today I would like to share some useful things with you. These things will help you a lot in your work. Let's get started, learn together. Hi there, welcome to our tutorial on how to host your website free using GitHub page. I am super excited to show you how easy and straightforward this process is. So let's get dive in. First, make sure you have GitHub account. If you don't have one already, head over on github.com and sign up. It is completely free. Once you all are signed up and sign in, GitHub dashboard page is appear. Now it's time to create a new repository by clicking on top right corner of plus icon and selecting new repository. Enter repository name. Repository name should be a username.github.io where username is username of your GitHub account. In my case, it is wo-mehul. So my repository name is wo-mehul.github.io. Now you can add a description if you like. And make sure your repository should be a public for hosting your website on GitHub page. Now click on a create repository button. Your repository is created. Now it's time to upload your files on GitHub repository. For that, I am using GitHub Desktop. You can download it from its official website desktop.github.com. I have already installed this application in my system. So first we need to clone our repository. So click on the clone repository from internet. I am selecting a URL. You can go your repository and copy this HTTP URL. Simply paste it in this URL input box and click on the clone button. Your empty repository is cloned. Now it's time to create our profile website. For that, I have already downloaded 3 templates from internet. I have copied this as folder and index file and paste it in our newly cloned repository folder. Now go to the Visual Code and open this folder in Visual Code. Your folder is open in Visual Code and you can able to change your code. So let me make changes in my index.html and save it. Now you can go at GitHub Desktop application. You can see change file at left side of GitHub Desktop application. Now it's time to commit these changes. For that, first we need to enter a commit message and click on the commit to main. Now we need to publish our branch. Branch is published. Now we can check it on our GitHub. For that, you need to just refresh your GitHub repository and you can see our code is available on our GitHub repository. Now go to the setting. In code and automation, we have a pages option. Click on it. You can see our website URL in GitHub page. Just copy it and paste it in browser. So you can see our website is hosted and it is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. If you found the content is valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Looking forward your feedback in comment section. See you in the next video.